Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our topic is operating system. Why computer needs operating system and the objective of operating system. But before this, we will discuss system software. System software consists of programs that control the operation of computer and its devices. It is the interface between the computer user, application program, and computer hardware. Operating system is a system software which is responsible to run the computer hardware and also application programs. Without operating system, user cannot interface with the computer hardware. Operating system act as a soul of computer and the hardware components are like body. Without soul, physical body is unable to do anything. Just like computer, without operating system, the physical components of computer are unable to do anything. So without operating system, computer is only machine without soul. The interface between the computer and user is operating system. Operating system is responsible to provide interface between the hardware and user. User can use application program if there is operating system. ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या फंक्शन प्रोवाइड कर सकता है? द फर्स्ट इज प्रोवाइड यूज़र इंटरफेस. बिल्कुल, अगर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉल नहीं है तो हम हार्डवेयर को इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते, हम एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम को इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स वाई ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम प्रोवाइड एज यूज़र इंटरफेस. When we want to process any program, then program must be transferred from secondary storage into main or RAM memory. So it is the responsibility of operating system to load the program from secondary storage into RAM for processing. The third is manage common computer hardware function. All the hardware devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, printer which is connected to the computer must be controlled and managed by the operating system by the soul of computer. Processing tasks such as open, close, addition, subtraction, deleting, these are processing tasks. So whenever user want to do these tasks must be managed by the operating system and must be processed by the CPU. All the network services like downloading, searching, browsing, connecting, these services are managed by the operating system. Without operating system, we cannot browse, we cannot search, we cannot download any file from the internet. Operating system is also called resource manager. The system resources like data, application program and hardware, these all are controlled by the operating system. We can access these through operating system. All the files of data or application programs are installed on the hard disk. So operating system is responsible to allocate space to these file, to these application program. Operating system will manage these files. Protection facilities. Operating system also provide protection facility. We can give password to our data, application program or to our system so that it will be protected from other user or from loss of data. Some example of operating system are Microsoft Windows like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Macintosh operating system which is used for Mac computer system, and Android is also operating system for mobile computer. So without these operating system, computer cannot do anything. You cannot get services from the computer if you don't install Windows 10, if you don't install Android into your mobile. I hope you will learn this lecture. Allah Hafiz.